The Giza Plateau. 20,000 workers. A biological machine moving in perfect unison.
8 tons of granite. The sledge crushes wooden rollers like they are twigs.
From a worker's eyes, 400 feet of stone. Impossible. But they built it.
Water and Nile silt poured onto the sand. The desert floor becomes slick as ice.
Papyrus rope, thick as a man's thigh. Under 200 men, it screams.
From a grain of sand to 6 million tons. The pyramid catches the sun like a mirror.
We show you exactly how the pyramids were built.
The master architect. Every stone measured. Every angle calculated.
5 tons dropped into sand. The foundation of an empire.
Sunrise over Giza. The machine awakens. The pyramid grows.
Aswan, the granite quarry. Stone harder than granite breaks granite.
50 men. 50 stones. One rhythm. The quarry becomes a drum. Fire heats the rock to red. Cold water shocks it. Granite cracks like glass.
The crack spreads. The mountain is splitting. 70-ton blocks are freeing themselves.
20-foot wooden levers. Give me a lever long enough, and I will move the world.
Wedges drive into the gap. The block rises millimeter by millimeter.
Wooden rollers slide beneath. The 70-ton block is now mobile.
The block moves. 70 tons of granite. Pulled by human muscle.
Rhythm! Muscle! The block obeys!
Aswan, the quarry that built pyramids. 70 tons at a time. The Nile. Papyrus ships reinforced with ropes. Ready to carry mountains. 70 tons slide aboard. The ship tilts. Water rises. It holds.
Hundreds of oars. One rhythm. The fleet moves north.
Flood season. The Nile rises. The fleet rides the current north.
Steering oars guide the fleet. One wrong move, and 70 tons sink. Military precision on the river. The fleet moves as one.
From the bank, the ships loom like floating mountains. Rigging tight. Ropes strain. The fleet battles the current. The pyramids appear on the horizon. The journey is almost complete. The fleet arrives. Granite for the pyramid. The real work begins.
The external ramp. Mud brick and rubble. An inclined plane to the sky.
Wet Nile clay. Spread across the ramp. Nature's lubricant. The sledge runner surfs on a film of wet clay. Friction vanishes. Thousands of men, leaning at 45 degrees. A single organism moving stone. Every muscle, every sinew. The human body at its absolute limit. Up the ramp. Against gravity. Against impossible odds.
Rows of men. Rows of ropes. Perfect organization. Perfect execution.
Sledge and column. Connected by rope. moved by human will. Every step, every grain of sand, human feet against the earth. The block reaches the top. Another stone in place. The pyramid grows. Inside the Grand Gallery, torchlight on corbelled stone. A mechanical heart.
Stone counterweights, sitting in floor grooves, ready to fall.
Ropes over lubricated beams. The simplest machine. Moving mountains.
The counterweights fall. Gravity does the work.
Down goes the weight, up goes the stone. Perfect balance.
The weight falls, gathering momentum, pulling the block higher. The block reaches the top. The king's chamber awaits. Guided by levers, the block transfers from lift to chamber floor. A sarcophagus in place. The king's chamber takes shape. 50 tons of granite. The first ceiling beam. The roof of the king's chamber.
A string. A wooden triangle. Perfect level. Ancient precision.
5 relieving spaces. Voids above the ceiling. Weight distribution. The gable roof. Redirecting weight outward. Protecting the chamber below. The walls absorb the pressure. Even distribution. No weak points. From top to bottom. Weight directed outward. The pyramid supports itself.
The foundation settles.
6 million tons.
The earth holds.
The relieving spaces absorb the pressure. The chamber below remains untouched.
6 million tons.
Perfect balance. The pyramid stands for eternity.
The king's chamber complete. A room of granite. Built for eternity. Pure white limestone from Tura. The pyramid's final skin. Sand, water, and stone. Polished to a mirror finish. Invisible joints. A hair cannot pass between. Perfection in stone. The dark core disappears. White casing rises. A mirror to the sun. Row by row, the pyramid turns white. A geometric miracle.
Each stone placed with precision. Each joint invisible.
White stone climbs to the top. The pyramid becomes a single gleaming form.
Polished to a mirror. The pyramid reflects the sun like a second sun.
The Great Pyramid, clothed in white, visible for miles.
Clothed in white, reflecting the sun. A wonder of the ancient world.
Thousands of beer jars, fuel for the workers. The supply line never ends. Dried fish, garlic, rations measured and recorded. Every worker fed. Copper chisels, sharpened by fire and hammer. The tools that built a wonder.
Bakeries. Thousands of loaves per hour. Feeding 20,000 workers daily.
Fresh bread. Hour after hour. The bakery never stops. Grain to flour. Stone against stone. The foundation of every loaf.
Bread distributed. Every worker fed. The pyramid grows on grain. Dough kneaded by hand. Thousands of loaves. Daily, thousands of loaves stored. The worker city never hungry. The worker city. 20,000 people. The machine behind the miracle.
Ben, the golden capstone, the final piece.
Contact. The capstone meets the pyramid. The point becomes one. The sun hits the gold. A beam of light across the valley. The pyramid is alive. Portcullis stones drop. The entrance seals. The tomb is closed forever. Sand flows. Stones sink. Locked in place forever. The ramps come down. Stone by stone. The pyramid is revealed. Hand to hand. Brick by brick. The ramp disappears. The ramps are gone. The pyramid stands alone. Perfect. The Great Pyramid. Complete. Glowing in the moonlight. A wonder for eternity.